Hey YouTube, Garsbase here, back here again. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the AC direction on a 2010 GMC Acadia. It's actually a very common problem. The issue that I'm having is that the AC is only coming out of one spot, which is the floor vents. Even if I change this location here, it's not working. I can't get air to come out of the front, actually just a little bit. Nothing from the top, everything is just coming out from the floor, from those vents right there. So basically this is not working. So if you have to fix this, very simple. It's the air vent actuator. It's behind the glove compartment. And let me show you what you have to do. Very easy job. And you can buy the part on Amazon. I bought it for like $17 or $20. Check the link in the description if you want information on that. But very easy, just come in here. We're gonna remove this black cover right here, and then we're gonna take off the glove compartment. And this is very easy. It just has two clips, 1 and 2 right here, as you can see. And what you have to do is just get a flathead or get your pliers and come in here and pop this little stick out. Maybe you're even able to do it with my hands. No, I'm not that strong. Pop this out with your flathead, and it comes out, and then you can take out these little clips. So there's 2 clips. Once you take out those 2 clips, this whole thing is gonna come off. And then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. So here we go. Okay guys, so now that you remove that, let me show you what you have to do next to remove the glove compartment. Very easy. Just go ahead and open the glove compartment. Come in here to this side, and this little thing, you're just gonna, let me focus. Okay, bring it up a little bit. Oh, just like that. I'm not sure if I showed you, but just, it was down, and just bring it up, and it comes right out. So go ahead and take it out. I'll just put it back in so you can see it from this side. Take it out, and then I'm gonna show you what you have to do next. Okay guys, so now that you remove this, very easy. Make sure it's loose on the side, it's okay. Then you're gonna have these 2 little knobs right here, this 1 and 2. Very easy, just go ahead and turn upwards, I guess. Yeah, there you go, turn up, and then you can push it in a little bit, and then they'll come right out. Take out this one, and then take out the other one, and your glove compartment will fall off. It's a very easy job to remove the glove compartment. Okay guys, so now that you remove those 2 little grips on the side, the glove compartment will just fall off. And now it's very easy, just pull, because it's held by those clips. There's 1 in the middle and 2 on the sides right there. It's 3 clips, oh I mean 4, I'm sorry, 2, 4. So just pull out, so pull it up, because it's just clipped into that little stick or whatever. So just pull it out, there's nothing else holding it, and your glove compartment will come out. So just pull it out, use both hands, but it's just clipped in. It's just basically a little hook like this, and it clips into there. And then just pick it up and it'll come right out. Okay guys, so now that we have all this access, that's the actuator right there. It's this one right here. It's held by 2 bolts, and then this cable right there. You can see it. You can, you may be able to feel it or not, but to see if it's bad, but if you're having that issue that the air is not coming out from the top or from the bottom or from the middle vents, if it's just coming out of one spot, then this is your problem. Okay, so first thing you gotta do is remove this cable, which is very easy. Just press here, this little clip, press it in, and pull the cable out, and that way you remove the cable. So let me remove the cable, and then I'll show you how to remove the bolts. Okay guys, so I removed the cable, very easy. Now we're just gonna remove those 2 screws. There's only 2, which is 1 is right there, and then the other one is up there. Is those 2, as you can see. This is the device, the actuator, and this is 1, and then that's 2. It's a size, it's a Torx. You're gonna need this little key. Let me see, sorry. It's a T20, yeah, it's a T20. And this is my setup. I have this little socket specially to hold it in place, so whenever it goes in, it doesn't fall off. So I have this. I'm gonna use my ratchet, and I'm gonna give this little guy a try. Extensions, and I'm gonna give this little guy a try so I can do it from all the way over here. But if you don't have this, it's fine. You can do it manually. Just get your ratchet, and you can come in from the bottom. See, and you can do it right there and do it right there. You can just do a couple of turns, and then you can finish it off with your hands. I'm gonna show you guys that in just a second. But there you go. Go ahead and take that off, and I'm going to tell you what to do next. Okay guys, and then with this actuators, I just want to show you a quick tip or trick. I've done a lot of actuators on many different cars, and the trick with these things is that there's always hard to get there, hard to get into that spot. But if you get your socket with your little key just like this, and you come in, once you loosen it up with your ratchet, the key is that afterwards you can just come in and follow up with your hands. Just turn it. I still need to give one more turn, but there you go. See, I can do it with my hands. So I don't have a lot of it's uncomfortable to put my ratchet, but you can come in here just like this, what I'm doing, and finish it off with your hand. And same thing whenever you're putting it back in, you can use your hand and turn the socket yourself, because those screws are placed on plastic, and they're just, the purpose is just to hold it in place. You don't have to be super tight. And like I said, once you loosen it up a little bit with your ratchet, you can follow up with your hand, and you have better space, better grip, and it just gets easier. As you can see, I already loosened up the top one and the bottom one. I'm just gonna finish them off with my hand. So I just wanted to give you that tip. Okay guys, so there you go. I just removed it. Now I'm just gonna replace it with the new one. Here it is. Very easy process. It's the same but in reverse. I'm not gonna bore you with that. There's a new part. Just follow the steps. Thanks for watching. I try to make this video short and sweet, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day, and like and subscribe.